Hello everyone, my name is Pramod Badu, student of Mechanical Engineering Department from Engineering College Ajmer. Today I am going to present seminar presentation on the topic scramjet engine. This presentation includes the following contents: introduction, what is scramjet engine, components, principle of working, advantages, disadvantages, applications, programs, recent progress, conclusion and reference. Now I am going to introduce. Rockets combine a liquid fuel with liquid oxygen to create thrust. If the need for liquid oxygen is taken away, spacecraft can be smaller or carry more loads. This is the concept behind a different propulsion system called scramjet or supersonic combustion ramjet. A scramjet, which is supersonic combustion ramjet, is a variant of a ramjet air-breathing jet engine in which combustion takes place in supersonic airflow. As in ramjet, a scramjet relies on high vehicle speed to compress the incoming air forcefully before combustion, but whereas a ramjet decreases the air to subsonic velocities before combustion, the airflow in a scramjet is supersonic throughout the entire engine. That allows the scramjet to operate efficiently at extremely high speeds. Now I will tell what a scramjet engine is. Before going to scramjet engine, I will introduce ramjet engine. Ramjet engine have no moving parts, instead operating on compression to slow free stream supersonic air to subsonic speeds, thereby increasing temperature and pressure and then combusting the compressed air with fuel. Lastly, a nozzle accelerates the exhaust to supersonic speeds, resulting in thrust. Due to the deceleration of the air, the pressure, the temperature, and density of the flow entering the burner are considerably higher than in the free stream. At flight, Mach number of around Mach 6, these increases make it inefficient to continue to slow the flow of subsonic speeds, but rather only slowed to acceptable supersonic speeds. The ramjet is then termed as a supersonic combustion ramjet, which is scramjet. The theoretical projection place top speed of scram between Mach 12 and Mach 24, which is near orbital velocity. The fastest air-breathing plane in a scramjet design, the NASA X-43A, which is reached Mach 9.6 or 12, which is 144 km per hour. Now components. The scramjet engine is composed of three basic components: a converging inlet, a combustor, and a diverging nozzle. In converging inlet, where incoming air is compressed and deaccelerated. In combustor, where gaseous fuel is burned with atmospheric oxygen to produce heat. And in diverging nozzle, where the heated air is accelerated to produce thrust. The working of a scramjet engine is based on scramjet works on the same principle of ramjet, which is all the operation done by the whirring cross-section of passages. There are inlet passages, diffuser passage, combustion passage and exhaust passage. Basically, in order to achieve the initial speed, a second engine is integrated in the scramjet model. It may be rocket or turbojet engine. As these are air-breathing engines, air from the atmosphere enters at very high speed in the inlet passage. In case of a scramjet, the diffuser is merged with inlet. Hence, the air from the atmosphere enters in the inlet section having very high velocity, reduced its diffuser section, thereby its static pressure increases. Then temperature of air also increases when passing through the narrow cross section towards the combustion chamber. Hot air flows in the combustion chamber, and at this moment the propellant, that is hydrogen, having a very low ignition temperature, are injected by the injector in the combustor, where it gets self-ignited within a millisecond and the combustion process is carried out at the supersonic speed. The fresh air supplied to the diffuser builds up a pressure at the diffuser so that these burned gases cannot expand towards the diffuser. Instead, the gases are made expand in combustor towards tail engine, hence providing the required thrust. Now, advantages of scramjet engine. It does not have to carry oxygen. No rotating parts makes it easier to manufacture, less weight and simple design. As the hydrogen is used as a propellant, combustion is carried out at supersonic velocity with the help of oxygen from the atmosphere. As a result of that, steam is being exhaust gas which is eco-friendly in nature. Now, disadvantages of scramjet. A scramjet cannot produce efficient thrust unless boosted to high speed, around Mach 5. As a result, an additional propulsion system are required. Insufficient mixing of fuel air, testing difficulties, material selection. Now, applications. Scramjet can be used in missile propulsion, hypersonic cruiser propulsion, and a part of space access propulsion system. In rocket engines, in long run planes powered by scramjet, which will make travel faster and cheaper. Future used in scramjet Airbus. Now, programs where scramjet engine is used: X-15, Scram, High Shot, High Fire, HyperX, High Tech, HyperX, Mach 15, Falcon, High V, Boeing X-15, Advanced Technology Vehicle D-01, Hypersonic Technology Demonstrator Vehicle, Advanced Technology Vehicle D-02, ATV D-01, HSTDV and ATV D-02 are tested by India. In 2010, a flight test of Advanced Technology Vehicle, which is ATV D-01, with a passive scramjet engine combustor module was conducted, and HSTDV is a technology demonstrator under development by the DRDO. It has been ground tested at hypersonic speeds for 20 seconds. And in 2016, ISRO successfully flight tested the scramjet engine in Advanced Technology Vehicle, which is ATV D-02. It is the second scramjet flight test of VSSC ISRO. Now, recent progress. This technology used in Russian Indian BrahMos supersonic cruise missile flight testing, which is ATV D-01 and ATV D-02 in HSTDV also. At the end of this presentation, I will conclude. Scramjet program is a fast developing field in the present world. There are many applications with scramjet. It provides a cheaper and efficient access to space. Scramjet has the potential for supersonic or hypersonic transportation. Scramjet technologies are also used for advanced military applications. Thanks for paying attention.